We're now going to replace the air filter on this speed triple. For details of removing the tank, see the standalone tank removal video. So you're going to get the battery strap off first. Then you're going to remove your screws. I think these are T20s. Okay, so you should be able to prise this out. It might be a little bit stuck if it's been in a while. Okay, and there's your air filter. Okay, so a little look down in there. So you can see a dead fly, little stone. So I'm going to get the hoover down there and just suck all that dirt out. So it's time to get the air filter back in the bike. We'll be changing the original air filter for a K&N air filter. Now this is nothing to do with trying to get any performance advantages. It's purely for financial reasons. I think a genuine air filter is just shy of about £30 and a K&N air filter is about £50. But you can wash the K&N air filter. I think it's guaranteed for 100,000 miles. So it saves you a bit of money every few years. I'm not actually a massive fan of K&N air filters, to be perfectly honest. I would rather use the original ones, but they're just far too expensive. Let's get it back in the bike. So the K&N air filter comes with a small tube of sealing grease. Now it recommends you put a bead of grease all the way around the sealing area. I'm not exactly sure why. The original one didn't need one, but it is what it is. There we go, so we've got a small bead of grease all the way around the sealing edge. And then you just drop it into your housing. Remember, a new K&N air filter comes pre-oiled, so you don't have to do anything. Okay, this bit can be a little bit confusing, where it's asking you to use supplied K&N sealing grease, apply a small bead of grease in the airbox where the halves of the airbox come together. This will ensure that the K&N air filter will seal over the gap in the airbox where the airbox mating surfaces come together. A little bit confusing, but I think it's there. Okay, so once you've got your grease applied, it's just a case of putting it all back together. There we go, so one filter swapped over. All I got to do now is put the tank back on. Refer to the tank removal and refitting video. And of course don't forget your K&N air filter sticker, so the next owner doesn't discard it accidentally. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to the channel and press the like button.